Hello everyone and welcome back to another Airsoft episode. In this episode I'm using my new extremely silent Wolverine Bolt MLC 338 sniper rifle and my Mark 23 sidearm. I had a little problem with the bolt though because my shots were just flying up into the air, but I did sort of get used to it near the end. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video.
No, that is a head.
Mate, on me.
Right, I'm checking the right.
Got him. Nice! Yeah. Oh, for f***, man. Call that. Yay! I fucking love him. I fucking love him. Yeah. Oh, I'm out there.
Unfortunately, I ran out of air in my sniper at the worst possible time, so I have no other option but to get up close and take out the enemy from behind.
Are you blue? Oh, I was gonna say. APW Airsoft on YouTube. Nice.
Oh shit! So essentially, I'd be doing this.
As long as it doesn't break.
This is my stronger arm.
Nobody wanna break my stride. Nobody wanna slow me down. Uh-oh. You got... That was so gay. Oh, you got a camera on. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Oh, teams. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Oh, we're being judged hard. I can see her eyes through the mesh. Magic.
Corn. Come with me.
Are we doing the right thing then?
Yep.
Oh.
Um,
Well, what
you might be able to squeeze in
yeah, what exactly?
through here. Yeah, sorry, innit?
I can't move.
It's my shot like 50 million times.
Oh, that came all the way back here, and then
Yeah.
the marshal was like, "What are you doing?"
Oh,
Marshal literally.
got him.
Nice. My arm really hurts.
It's like one of the worst nights I've run out of ammo, wasn't it? What? Oh, did I not f***ing hit you?
I was like mainly going on you because I got f***ing.
Nice! Mm.
That's all I have for this week's episode. You guys might be seeing another video next week, but I may have a hangover. But anyway, I'll see you all later. Bye bye.